what you want. This is like breakfast or kind of breakfast. Anyways, I made a pho. A kind of pho. And then I put rice in it instead of noodles. Enrico's a big fan of tennis, so he's always watching tennis. And then in the morning, I found that one of my roses made a flower. So I use old skincare bottles. And this one is, you know, a glass bottle. So I use that as a vase. Serena is completely, like, Serena Williams is playing Halep. Is Halep Polish, Enrico?
Romania.
From Romania. And basically Serena's murdering this girl. So, yay, go Serena.
Ma did you see what happened now?
Serena's murdering this girl.
Did you see what happened now?
What happened?
Ma did you see the shot?
She hit it really hard. Look how cute this dog is. Hey! Hi! I like dogs too. Oh, it seems like he hurt his leg. That's where they make wine. And so we are at a different agriturismo called Nadaluti. And here they have a farm. So you can eat fresh eggs, I guess, and fresh things. They have a donkey there. I've played with that donkey before. Yeah, you can actually go down and pet him and see the animals. Here I am. And they have some dogs here. I think they have 2 dogs. And this is a really nice place as well. I mean, there are so many agriturismos in this area. So look, I'm wearing this kind of pullover, sweater thing. I don't know what to call it. Sweater. It's the kind that, you know, you tie around your waist. So it's not really a sweater, but yeah. Can't really see. It's like this. So very Canadian-ish kind of the pattern, you know? Yeah. So this is Nadaluti. And yeah, in the spring or summer, you can eat outside, but it's gotten cold now. It's the end of October here. So, yeah. Cold. We found these dogs. These are cute. Touch noses. They gotta smell each other. Look at all the people who come here by motorcycle.
Ma non è vero, adesso ho capito. Perché se tu invece vuoi così, vuol dire che te va bene così. Ma io non capivo, quindi vedi che ti dico, io dovrei parlare con loro, perché adesso che sono lasciata.
And there's the wine field. Ah, allora, c'è un regalo per te.
Ah, grazie.
Sì, è una lavanda. Un sapone di lavanda. Sì, sì, da Venzone. This is the inside of the place. Sì, no, adesso è bene. Grazie. Prego. So the Ribolla Gialla vino is ready, and this is probably my favorite wine to drink. And it is the new wine that is usually available at the end of October and at the beginning of November or throughout November. And so it's a new, fresh wine. Enrico, how long do they ferment this?
Ah, pochissimo. Non è ancora vino.
It's not really wine. It tastes more like grape juice. So it's just really fresh and new. It hasn't been fermented.
Non è tutto fermentato.
But è un po' fermentato.
Un po', ma poco.
It's very sweet and very fresh. And I love it. Okay, this is the real Struki made fresh. And it's similar to the Gubana. So it is kind of like a cinnamon roll, but it's like stuffed with the raisin nut kind of cinnamony mixture. And a lot of the time it's like a fried thing, but it could also be a baked thing. There's not very good light here, but try that. Yeah. So this is the strippy. It's best when you pour like some rum or grappa on top and then it absorbs the liquor. Tutti brilli all'addo. They're still there, still drinking, and I hope they stay safe. So stay safe, don't drink and drive. Maybe they have to sleep here tonight. So I actually bought a soap from here. They have a lot of roses. They make the soaps and some skincare items as well. So I decided to try the soap because it smells very sweet and like cherries. Yeah, they have like hand creams and all kinds of other skincare items and body lotions and things. Of course, you can buy wine and other things here as well. So, wow, look at the view over there. Yeah. Ciao! I went to Via della Rocca. And Via della Rocca is a street in Udine, and there they have an Asian supermarket, and that's the one that I usually go to. So you can get this, and this is like $1.50, a huge bag of bean sprouts. You can get a few Japanese things and maybe like 1 or 2 Korean things, but it's mostly like Chinese things. And yaki sushi, the nori for the sushi. So I got some nori because I'm gonna make some sushi today. And I got some instant noodles, green onions, and tofu. You cannot get tofu, at least not soft tofu, in the Italian supermarkets. You have to go to the Asian supermarket. I usually eat this, these kind of instant noodles with hoisin sauce, so I make it kind of like Vietnamese-y. Freyja likes nori. Nori is Japanese for seaweed, like this kind of seaweed. You know, the paperish, whatever. I don't know how to explain it, but this is nori. Freyja likes to eat it. She's always interested. I think she's attracted to the nori scent.